The liver channel is the yin-yang pair channel of the gallbladder channel. It's also the foot channel of Jueyin. The liver primary channel starts at liver 1 at the big toe and goes in front of the medial malleolus. It goes up the leg, intersecting spleen 6, goes anterior to the spleen channel until 8 Jun above the medial malleolus, and then goes posterior to the spleen channel. It passes liver 8 near the medial end of the popliteal crease, encircles the genitals, and enters the lower abdomen, meeting with CV2, 3, and 4. It goes around the stomach and enters liver and gallbladder. It goes through the diaphragm and spreads in the ribs and hypochondriac region. It goes up along the neck, behind the throat, to the nasopharynx, and connects with the tissues around the eye. And then it goes to the vertex, meeting with GV20. A branch from the eye goes down through the cheek and encircles the inner surface of the lips. Another branch from the liver goes through the diaphragm to the lung, meeting with pericardium 1. The liver luo-connecting channel starts at liver 5. It connects with the gallbladder channel and then goes to the genitals. The liver divergent channel starts at the dorsum of the foot and goes to the pubic region, connecting with the gallbladder channel. The liver sinew channel starts at the dorsum of the big toe and binds at the anterior aspect of the medial malleolus. It goes along the medial aspect of the tibia and binds at the medial condyle. It goes up the medial aspect of the thigh to the genitals, binding with other sinew channels. Here are the key points. The primary channel goes to the vertex, eyes, and inner surface of the lips. The primary luo-connecting and sinew channels go to the genitals, and divergent channel goes to the pubic region. The divergent channel starts at the dorsum of the foot. The primary channel goes around the stomach and enters the liver and gallbladder. Now let's look at signs and symptoms. The liver primary channel manifests headache, pain and swelling of the eye, and leg cramps. The luo-connecting channel has excess and deficiency syndrome. For excess, there is swelling and pain of the testicles, colic, abnormal erection, hernia. For deficiency, there is itching of the genital region, impotence. Signs and symptoms of the sinew channel are pain and stiffness of the big toe, inner aspect of the ankle and leg, impotence, contraction of the scrotum or vagina, persistent erection. Now let's go over some major acupuncture points on this channel. Liver 1 regulates qi in the lower jaw, treating Shan disorders, signs and symptoms including swelling or pain of the genital and pain in the lower abdomen. It is also indicated for disorders of urination and menstruation. Liver 1 is effective for both excess and deficiency for the disorders of urination. For disorders of menstruation, liver 1 is primarily used for excess condition, such as heat in the blood. Liver 2 has actions of spreading liver qi, clearing liver fire, and pacifying liver wind. So this point is commonly used for disorders of the head, such as headache, dizziness, redness or pain of the eyes, and throat painful obstruction. As it can clear the liver fire, this point is beneficial for the fire and stagnant qi transmitting to the heart, treating disorders of liver and heart, such as irritability, insomnia, and palpitations. As liver blood is related to the uterus, liver fire can be transmitted to the uterine blood. Liver 2 can treat disorders of menstruation due to heat, such as menorrhagia and early menstruation. Liver 3 is the most important point of this channel because it has a wide range of actions and indications. It can treat both deficiency and excess conditions. It can treat both liver organ and liver channel diseases. It clears the upper jaw, treating disorders of head and eyes. It regulates the lower jaw in menstruation, treating genitourinary diseases. It can drain the excess by spreading liver qi, subduing liver yang, and extinguishing liver wind. It can also tonify the deficiency by nourishing liver blood and liver yin. Liver 4, 5, and 8 spread liver qi, regulate the lower jaw, and clear heat in the liver channel. Liver 4 has additional indications of excess sign due to qi stagnation in the chest and inversion counterflow of the feet. Liver 5 is indicated for plumstone qi. Liver 8 has additional action of invigorating the blood and regulating the uterus, treating infertility, abdominal masses, or amenorrhea due to blood stasis. If you want to learn more about the disease patterns and acupuncture prescriptions, please check our blog. The link is in the description.